It's here. Hey guys, welcome to the weirdest and happiest place on YouTube. So I just got back from the store and I have my phone right here with me. My parents bought me this as an early birthday gift and I'm honestly so grateful because this video has been interrupted by bad lighting. Let's just backtrack a little. When I first filmed this video, I had just gotten back from the store from getting my brand new phone and I kind of overlooked the fact that the sun was about to set. So that just didn't work out. But anyway, I'm here and I'm gonna show you what's in my iPhone. Should probably remove my ID. All those sleepless nights. Okay, I don't know if I've already said this, but I have an iPhone XR and I got this as like an early birthday present from my parents and I'm so grateful. I got it in 128 GB, which was a huge jump from like what I had. I used to have an iPhone 6s, which worked perfectly fine. Like I loved that phone, but it was only 16 GB, guys. 16 GB. Like that was way too little. Like I literally could not have anything in my phone and it was so frustrating. I was just done with it. Before we hop right into it, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into what's in my phone. So my lock screen is just like this really cool like vintage girly looking picture. I just got it from Pinterest. I needed something to replace like the Apple wallpaper. Kind of goes with my aesthetic, even though my phone is like fully black, which is, I mean, it's honestly not that bad. I really didn't like any of the colors that iPhone XR had. I wish they could just continue rose gold, but I think black works, and if I get bored of the color I can always just get a new cover. So when you open my phone, all my apps are divided into like two sections, slides, whatever you want to call it. But my homepage is just this like nice quote I found on Pinterest: when you focus on the good gets better. We're gonna start from like the bottom bar, you know, like the 4 apps you use the most. I just have my call logs for obvious reasons. I have Instagram, and I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my most used app. This is my account. If you were wondering, you could follow it if you want. The link is always down below. Then I have WhatsApp, and this is just like to keep up with the little amount of social life that I have. And then there's music to block out all the haters and basically anyone that ever wants to talk to me. Okay, so let's get into the apps. The first slide basically just has all the apps that come with the phone. I honestly use like 4 of these. Yeah, I mean, I have FaceTime. Camera, oh my god guys, the camera might just be my favorite thing about this phone. Like, color corrects you so well. I am obsessed. Expect a lot more vlogs because the quality is honestly so good. Like, I legitimately want to vlog all the time now, even though I suck at it. You know, all the basic stuff. Oh, then there's, I've recently started using the health app just to like see how many steps I take in a day, and this is making me look super bad, but I promise guys, I do walk like sometimes. So I have all those apps. Oh, and last time I was filming this video, I discovered this really cool app. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, just look at this, okay? Peshwa, I'm in the sky. Okay, I feel like a kid getting excited over like this, but like, oh my god, this is so cool. I just have like green screen effects on my phone. Okay, I'm kind of getting distracted here, but it's called Clips, if you were wondering. Moving on to the next slide, these are all the apps I do actually use. The first is, of course, social media. I labeled it waste because that's what I do with my time when I'm on them. You know I'm obsessed with YouTube. And obviously I was watching a Vine compilation. That is just so me. Then I have Pinterest, which I always had Pinterest, but I never really used it that much. But recently I've been so obsessed with it. I've been getting like so much fashion inspo. Then I have Snapchat, which I don't really use that much anymore. But to be honest, I just have Twitter to keep up with like all the social media drama because it somehow always just happens on Twitter. Then I have YouTube Studio. This is super convenient. It's also like easier to like reply to comments through this. Next up, I have IGTV. I really haven't used it yet. And then I have XOXO. My friend actually told me to download this. I'm not exactly sure what it is yet. Oh yeah, the next folder is travel, and this is kind of just essential. I have the Uber app, Google Maps, and for some reason I have like Duolingo in there. Next up, I have all my editing apps, and you guys know I love like taking pictures and editing them. I have so much fun with it. So these apps are like my my go-tos. I already have a video up on how I edit my Instagram pictures, so if you want to check it out, you can do that. But okay, oh my god, I really want to show you guys this app. It's called InstaSize. Okay, what I really like about this app is it's so universal. It's like basically all the apps I use in one app. Not only can you do filters and like adjusting the contrast and all of that, but my favorite thing about this app is that they have this like glow tool, and you basically just increase like the glow factor, and it makes your face literally glow. It just makes your makeup pop so much more. It makes your features pop so much more. I've never really seen this in another app. They have these really cool like pre-done decks. They look super cool if you want to make like good Insta stories. I've been doing this like internship helping people with social media. This really helps with like putting up cool stories and everything. You can like crop your picture, you can do anything. I honestly love this app so much. I definitely recommend downloading it if you need like one app that does everything. This is the one for you. So if you do want to download it, I'm just gonna have a link in the description. You can just click on it and download it. It's on iOS and Android both, I believe, so pretty convenient. Except that I have VSCO, I have Unarm, which I kind of just like preview my feed on this. I have Beauty Cam, which, okay, this is so cool. It makes you look like a Korean little doll. Look at it, it's like so cute and adorable. It's kind of just fun to have it. But except for that, I also use it to kind of like whiten the backgrounds of my picture when they're looking like a little yellowish. And I have Superimpose, which I actually downloaded back when I had like fan accounts on people. Recently, it's been my lifesaver when I can't like go on Photoshop and I have some schoolwork to do. I can just quickly do it on this. And Fonto to add like text on my YouTube thumbnails. And that's pretty much it for editing. That was a lot. Is it gonna rain? Why is it so gloomy today? It is raining. What? Okay, so I guess it's kind of raining in the middle of December. I don't know. But okay, whatever. My next folder is my favorite folder. It's basically all my fashion / shopping apps. I just have like the Vogue magazine app. If I don't want to carry like the magazines everywhere, I can just like use the app. Super convenient. I have Vogue Runway, which if you're into fashion and like keeping up with runway shows, definitely download this app because it has every runway show like ever. You basically just like need this app if you're into fashion. Then I have the AliExpress app, which this is kind of my secret to getting like good fur coats for like a cheap price. Then I have ASOS, Spoil, Urban Outfitters, Shein, Pretty Little Thing, just the usual. Then I have my fun folder, which is basically my games, and this is an embarrassment. I know, I only have 3 games, like what am I doing? But I honestly forgot what games to download because for the longest time I haven't been able to download any games. So I just have like the Subway Surfers app, which is my favorite game ever, and I'm not gonna lie, I used to be pretty good at it. Like I'm gonna show you. My high score is like 3 million or something crazy. And I have Ludo, which my cousins came over and we like played this because they wanted to, and ever since then I've been obsessed. So if you ever want to play Ludo with me, like come over anytime. I'm always up for it. And I have the PUBG mobile app. Haven't really tried it out yet, but my friend told me to download it, so it's there. Then I have my school folder, which I just have my uni app on to keep up with like attendance, holidays and all of that. And I have uni days, which, oh my god, it gives you like free discounts and everything just for being in college. All you have to do is like put in your college email ID and you get discounts on everything from Apple Music to Misguided to Starbucks, everything you can think of. My lifestyle folder, so I have Insider, which basically is like a app that helps you book tickets for events in your city. Then I have Times of India. I kind of want to like, you know, like increase my general knowledge and start reading newspapers, but I don't have time, so I decided I'd download this app and like brush up on my knowledge. Then I have Zomato, which is an app for restaurants and food and all of that. And I have Dine Out, which again is for making reservations in restaurants. But I think that's about it. We've come to the end. That is about everything that's in my phone. I can't believe I'm finally done filming this video. Really hope this one worked out, and I'm actually gonna upload this on YouTube because I can't tell you how many fails I've had of this video. If you think I need to have any apps that I don't, leave them down below. Also, if you haven't, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Midnight drives in summer skin, a taste of liquor on your lips. I don't know what to download. Is this New York or Tokyo? I'm Tokyo.
down the